Hello, Professor. This is my assignment 2 for Computer 3122, which is an individual assignment. And as it is given to do the assignment using a decision tree model in a screen library, and the assignment is two-part. I have done the assignment, so let me go to the code part here. So my name is Safwan Iqbal Shabadi, student ID 1014451. So this is the part A for the assignment, and in the part A, as for the requirement, I have built a tennis playability decision tree using sklearn, and the goal is to determine whether certain weather conditions allows us to play tennis based on synthetic data. So we create decision tree model to classify the condition as play or cancel. So here in the code, I have imported necessary libraries from sklearn tree and decision tree classifier, and import pandas library here. So first we have created data set for playability data here. So it has three rows: temperature, weather, wind, and play. Four rows, sorry, and each with 20 samples. Here we have created the data set, and it's we use values such as low, medium, and high for temperature, sunny, rainy, and overcast for the weather, calm, breezy, and windy for the wind, and play prediction for yes or no, representing if we can play tennis under these conditions. So afterwards we have converted to data frame here, and then I've convert categorical data to numeric values. Since machine learning models typically require numerical input, we convert each categorical features into numeric equivalent. So in the data frame here, temperature map, so it's an individual. For temperature, low is for 0, medium is for 1, and high is for 2. Weather, in the weather we have used sunny 0, overcast 1, rainy 2. For wind it's calm 0, breezy 1, windy 2, and play no is 0 and yes is 1. So separate features and label here. So I have split the data into features x as temperature, weather, and wind, and y label, target label y for play column. Afterwards I have initialized and trained the decision tree classifier, and I have used a sklearn decision tree classifier to create and train the model data. After that I have tested the model with 3 new samples. It's a random sample, temperature, and given the conditions here. And afterwards it is output is for the prediction for each test sample. For 0 is whether it's to cancel the game, or 1 is to play the game. So it's the prediction output here. If I give it, I get the prediction here. So this is the part A for the assignment. Let me go to the part B. So in the part B assignment, I have created a COVID-19 detection decision tree. So I have imported necessary libraries here, and afterwards I have created synthetic COVID-19 dataset. So in the rows I have temperature, cough, shortness of breath, and COVID, which is which could be the symptom for the COVID. So here it is the values of temperature in degrees or Celsius, and random choice for 0 and 1, where 0 is not no cough symptoms or 1 is for cough symptoms. Shortness of breath, same, 0 is for not shortness and 1 is for shortness. COVID, same, 0 for no COVID and 1 is for COVID. And as it's required, I have to create a CSV file. So to convert into data frame, I've used this and save the database as CSV file. I've saved the database as CSV file. As you can see, the CSV file has been automatically created and the values are here. I've loaded the data set here and separate features, and for the loading data set we have to make ensure that it's ready for model training and testing. Here I have loaded the dataset and separate features and level for ex-COVID database into features for ex-COVID and y-COVID. Ex-COVID contains of temperature, cough, shortness of breath, and y-COVID is features include COVID rows that I've created above the data frame. So after that, I have split the data into training and testing sets where it includes 70% of training and 30% of testing for the sklearn data set. This separation helps to evaluate the model's performance on unseen data, simulating the real world condition here. So the test is here randomly, and initialize and train the decision tree classifier here. So I have created a new decision tree classifier here to train and test the dataset. And afterward, the prediction and calculate the array. So the prediction and calculation is done here uh, based on the data set here and the random learning from the data set, and the prediction is here. So it's the part B. The accuracy could be different in various kind. So says that one should be if the value is 1, then it is COVID-19 could be positive, and less than 1 it's possibility to not having a COVID. So this was the assignment. This is the assignment 2 for my Comp3122, and thank you, professor. Have a good day.